Hello, welcome back to Josh's Food Review. Today we're reviewing Prairie Farm Milk Snacks. Now I'm very confused what this is because I know it's not ice cream because it was with the milk. It looks like ice cream. Well, here we go. Tastes like a ding dong. It's pretty nice. It's chocolatey. It has a nice texture. I think it's like it. I'm not sure if it's like milk chocolate, dark chocolate. It's pretty good. I'm enjoying it, but like not the best thing ever. And it's not like getting all over the place or anything too. I'd say 7.9 out of 10.